Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset Microsoft Word to default settings. First step is to go and open your Microsoft Word. We need to find out which version do we have. Click here and open this Word options and go here where is resources, and then you need to select about, and we have version 12. We will close this. What you need to do now is press Windows key and R and input here regedit. Open this. This will pop up. Click yes, and you need to open this. Okay, current user. Open that. Go where is software and go where is Microsoft. Open that, and we need to find here Office. We will open this, and here is my version 12. Open that and open Word, and here is data. We need to delete this. So you now have a fresh Microsoft Word like when you installed it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.